Okay, Amber has baked Makai's first birthday cake. She wants a tiered cake, like a wedding cake. So she baked this and filled the inside and stacked it. And she got the little one over there. So she's getting ready to put the, what you call those things?
The
dowel rods in the cake. Okay, that's good. Push them all the way. That's fine.
Okay.
Now, 2 more. Even though the cake is tiny and it don't weigh that much, we don't want no mishaps. Cake looks pretty, don't it? Yeah, it's lemon cake. It has, what kind of icing is this? Cream cheese. Yeah, cream cheese icing. And y'all got to see the cupcakes she made and decorated. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay.
That's fine. So she's not going to actually stack the cake until she gets to the venue where the party is. Do you want to say something, Miss Amber? Huh?
No.
Girl.
I don't have nothing to say.
Okay. So she getting ready to put the icing on.
I don't know what to do.
The sides. Do the sides first and then.
How?
Oops.
This is crazy how much icing you use.
Mm-hmm. There's still some in here.
Some of this had crumbs though.
It'd be alright. Okay. She's decorating the sides like this. So she still got this part to do. She's doing good. She's doing a great job, yeah. Oh, the cake gonna cover that up. So you can just smooth that out. It don't matter. Okay, she's finished with this part of the cake. She can't stack it yet because we don't want to stack it till we get to the venue. So we're gonna put it in a smaller box, but I got a bigger box. Got another cake board, and she put a dollop of icing on the board for when she puts that cake on top of here, it's not gonna slide. It'll be stuck like glue. Okay. She's working with the little one now, the little cake. And she just put it on that bigger cake board so she can put it in a bigger box to transport it. One good thing about icing, you make a mistake, scrape it off and try again.
This gonna be Makai's smash cake.
No, it ain't. You can have a cupcake for a smash cake. I don't believe in that. Did none of y'all ever have a smash cake?
We ain't had no parties.
1-year-olds don't know nothing about no birthday. And this cake was baked in a cheesecake pan, and she just used a knife to split it in half like that. You see? She wait till it got good and cool to split it. Okay, that's enough footage. She has to keep squeezing that icing down in the piping bag so it doesn't burp and mess up her design. Some of y'all decorators know about the burp. Okay, she finished the little top tier. Okay, and she's thinking about running a cake baking business. Okay, this is how it looks in the box. Make it easier for transport. Okay, here are the cupcakes Amber made and decorated. And got the little baby bum picks in them, the sprinkles. Bought these cupcake containers from Walmart. No, I didn't. From Dollar Tree. They were $1 each. Here's the other. I think she got 24. I don't know how many cupcakes she got in all. I'm not going to take the tops off. But she did a great job. I thought she was being a bit ambitious, but she did good. Okay. Here's a thumbnail. Okay. Stacked all 3 of them up. Okay. I really have a good thumbnail.